Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create Moringa powder at home. First, carefully select fresh, healthy Moringa leaves from a mature plant. It's best to harvest them in the morning after any dew has dried, ensuring optimal quality. Make sure to avoid any leaves that show signs of disease or insect damage, as this will affect your final product. Next, thoroughly rinse your harvested leaves under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Gently pat them dry with a clean cloth or paper towels. Then, spread the leaves thinly on a clean surface, like a drying rack, in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. It's crucial they dry completely to prevent mold, which might take several days. Once your Moringa leaves are completely dry and brittle, carefully remove any remaining stems. Now, it's time to grind them. Use a clean coffee grinder or a high-speed blender to process the dried leaves into a fine, consistent powder. For the smoothest texture, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger, unground pieces. Finally, transfer your freshly ground Moringa powder into an airtight container. Store this container in a cool, dark place, away from moisture and direct sunlight. Proper storage is key to maintaining the powder's potency and extending its shelf life. For optimal freshness and benefits, it's generally best to consume your homemade Moringa powder within a few months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.